New York City arrests begin as immigration crackdowns heat up. Are more protests coming? Y'all like the video right here and check this out.
We continue to follow the unrest happening today. Protest over President Trump's immigration crackdown now in their fifth day in Los Angeles. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi now threatening federal charges against the protesters. Those threats come as protests are taking place right here in New York City. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Einiger in Foley Square, where you can see protesters started gathering this afternoon. Josh, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Mike, this was called for 5 o'clock, and a few minutes before 5, hundreds of people started showing up here. It's a pretty large event here in Foley Square, which, of course, is right by all the federal courthouses, and notably right across from 26 Federal Plaza, where a lot of the ICE detention and deportation activities have been taking place, and where yesterday there were a number of arrests. We could show you video when things started to get slightly out of control yesterday. A number of people taken into custody for disorderly conduct by the NYPD at 26 Fed. Earlier in the day yesterday, about 24 people arrested at Trump Tower, where they staged a demonstration in the lobby there. New Yorkers, of course, in solidarity with people in Southern California, but also just here in New York, a major center of immigrant life and a major center of Trump administration immigrant deportation activity. There is here in Foley Square a fairly significant police presence, but the cops in question are not wearing tactical gear, and they are basically out of sight. Clearly, they are trying to give demonstrators a wide berth. This is protected and peaceful activity. They're only here in the event that people do get out of control. Today, the mayor said the city is ready in case they do.
I have a lot of confidence in how we deploy, the strategies we'll use, the methods we'll use. I just have a great deal of confidence in what we can do, not only for what we've done under this administration, but what I did when I was in the police department and what I saw done under previous administration. But if it ever reaches the level that is something that we can't manage. I spoke to the governor yesterday, and the governor said, whatever, we're joined at the hip to make sure that it's going to be safe. If there's ever a need, we'll sit down and we'll find a way to give the reinforcement.
To be clear, events like this are not a concern for law enforcement. It's a peaceful event. They're standing in the middle of Foley Square. It's usually, in cases like this, later when things start to get a little bit hairy. We'll be monitoring it to see how things shake out.